Most small businesses start with Gmail for communication, but as more leads, clients, and projects start coming in, keeping track of everything becomes difficult quickly. Many businesses then turn to a CRM to manage it all, but quickly discover that they are most likely spending more time updating their CRM than actually serving customers. In today's video, I will show you an amazing tool that I love that solves this problem. I will be showing you how to use Streak, a CRM that lives directly inside of your Gmail and integrates directly with Google Workspace to organize leads, manage customer relationships, automate repetitive tasks, and collaborate directly with your team without switching between multiple tools, resulting in running your business more efficiently, saving time, managing your customer service better, and maximizing your potential sales. Today's video is sponsored by Streak. Streak actually lives inside of your inbox so that you can manage customer relationships without ever leaving your inbox or switching tabs. Utilize tools such as pipeline management, team collaboration, AI-powered automation, email tracking. Click the link down below and try Streak today. I'm going to give you a brief tutorial on exactly how to get Streak up and running for your business. First, install Streak from the Chrome Web Store. Open Gmail and activate your extension. Streak becomes a part of your Gmail rather than a separate platform. The side of your inbox will show the Streak sidebar and navigation. These are tools that you can utilize to navigate the many features within Streak. Our next step is to create a pipeline. A pipeline is the foundational building block of Streak. It provides a spreadsheet-style view right inside of your inbox to track and manage any workflow, such as sales processes, hiring pipelines, or client projects. To create a pipeline, click the plus symbol next to the Pipelines menu. Next, select the option that best suits what you are trying to track. Describe the process, including key steps that will be needed to be tracked, using the prompt below the text box as a guide for what to include. Streak will automatically create your pipeline based on research and the text that you entered, and will create stages, columns, and will input sample data. When completed, you will see your pipeline, which will look something like this. Next, let's explain each part of this pipeline to get a better understanding of how the pipeline works. Every pipeline is built around three core components. First of these is boxes. These represent individual records, such as a single lead, a job, a candidate, or a project. You can store emails, tasks, files, and notes in every box. Second are stages. These are sequential steps in your workflow. For example, a sales pipeline might move a box from contacted to meeting scheduled and eventually closed. Third is columns. These store specific data about each box. Now that we understand all the different parts of our pipeline, it is now time to populate our pipeline with our own data. Next, we will click the button down here to delete the sample data so that we can populate it with our own. Once you have deleted the data, it is time to add boxes. There are several methods you can use to do this. Click the plus on the right-hand side and you can choose to either add a box manually, have Streak suggest boxes based on your recent emails, or import boxes from a document such as a CSV. To add a box manually, click the plus and select Add Box. Type the contact or company name. You can expand the information to view the data on that particular contact, add tasks, reminders, meeting notes, invite your team, and more. To add a box from suggestions in your recent contacts from email, select Quick Add and Streak suggestions will appear on the right. To import a Google Sheet, CSV, or other file, click Import and select the file to upload. And to add a box directly from an email, click the red plus and then select the pipeline from the Create a New Box section. Next, we will need to add a prompt to allow our AI autofill to add data to our columns. Click the drop-down menu next to a column name from the pipeline view, and then select AI autofill. Choose whether you would like the box to be filled based on information from your email and inbox data, or if you would like it to be researched online. Then type in your prompt. The next step in preparing our pipeline is adding, removing, and reordering stages. Stages represent the steps a box moves through in your workflow. To add, edit, or remove pipeline stages, we will click on the three-dot menu on the right of your pipeline. Select Stages and Columns and open the Stages tab. From the Stages tab, you can drag and reorder them, rename, remove, or add a stage from the plus stage button. Next, to alter your columns, again, visit the three-dot menu and select Columns and Stages. Here you can drag and drop to reorder your columns, delete, change titles, or add a new column. Once you have your pipelines up and running, use the Visualizations area to track your data. From the three-dot menu on the right, click Pipeline Visualization to choose a variety of different chart views to track data. Next, use Streak AI in order to save time. Streak can automatically update fields within your pipeline by pulling information from emails, conversations, and previous interactions. You can ask Streak AI questions about a box, contract, deal, or opportunity, and it will surface relevant details from your history and data. Streak AI can generate summaries of conversations and activity history, highlight important updates, and suggest next steps to move opportunities through your pipeline. And if you need a custom formula for your pipeline, you can simply describe what you want in plain English, and Streak AI will generate the formula for you. Next, use Streak to collaborate with your team. Streak offers a variety of different features that makes working with your team seamless, effortless, and cohesive. Members can access information tied to particular leads or projects or clients, and those details stay attached to those particular clients so they're easy to reference. Click on the Streak logo and select Teams. Here you can see your current team members and click to add someone new from their email address. Additionally, you can also create a separate brand new team. The collaborative features offered for teams within Streak helps to make your business operate more efficiently. It can eliminate a lot of things that really slow things down, such as forwarded email chains, internal status meetings, and communication silos. Streak offers a number of additional productivity features that you can utilize to make your business run more efficiently. These include things like email tracking, snippets, mail merge, workspace integration, and Streak works naturally alongside Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Forms. Integrate Streak with Google Chat, create Google Calendar events, and get notifications by choosing the three-dot menu and selecting Get Notified. Follow the prompts to set up quickly and easily. To connect with other applications, select the Integrate with over 9,000 apps option. Search for your app and follow the prompts provided to connect. So what are some ways that real businesses are actually using these features in their day-to-day operations? Small businesses are utilizing these features to simplify their client onboarding. Sales pipeline managements not only allow you to walk a customer through a deal and close a sale, but also help you to manage every aspect of that customer's journey throughout your business so that they experience a consistent, smooth, and efficient journey as they move through their project with you as a business. Features within Streak also are used to help manage partnership outreach, making partnering with other brands and businesses seamless. Streamline your hiring and recruiting approach within your business, and use the features within Streak in order to make your hiring process much more efficient. Utilize the features additionally for agency and client management, as well as creator and brand partnership tracking. Many businesses also find them incredibly useful for fundraising and investor outreach. Stop wasting time with manual data entry and updates, and stop wasting valuable time for yourself and your employees in updating your CRM. Instead, choose a tool that lives directly inside of your inbox, is built to live within Gmail, and integrates flawlessly with Google Workspace. From pipelines to team collaboration tools to AI features such as summaries, autofill, and Q&A to email productivity tools, Streak is the tool that is going to help you maximize your efficiency, providing better service to your clients and maximizing your sales. Click the link down below and try Streak today.